we have created all those 4 columns over here. In the next case, we are now about to use the materialize icons into this particular segment. So in that particular respect, all we are about to do, we have to get to Google, and here we have to type in this materialize icons over here. And in the very first case, the first thing that we get in the search result, we have to right click on it and we will be opening it over here. Now as we can see that all those markups are provided right into this particular place. This is the link that we have to use in this respect. So we have to copy this one, and inside this index.html we need to get back here, and here we will be putting the required link over here. We will be practically using their own icon CDNs, and this is the one we have to link it with our project, and this is exactly what we had done over here. In the second case, we need to use those particular icons into our project, and in that respect, let's get back to the Materialize official website, and here we can see that all those things, those are practically icons. This is the class that we need to use inside each and every blocks where we wish to use some icons, and all those available icon sizes are provided over here, such as this one is the tiny, this is the small, this is the medium, and it is the large one. So the large one is using a font size of 6 rem, the medium one is using a 4 rem, small one is using 2 rem, tiny one is using 1 rem, and all those respective classes, those are practically provided over here. So all those things are practically icons, those we can use into our project, and all those related names, those are provided right beneath those particular icons. So in case if we wish to use this particular icon, then we need to use this class, but before that we need to put this class into our project. So that is why we will be copying it, and we will be getting back to our project, and inside the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to copy this. So in the very first case, we have to check whether it is working or not. So we'll be getting back to our project, reloading, and we can see that this will be the result. So this one is the first one that we are using over here. Now if we wish to use some separate icons here, then all we need to do, get back to our project, as we have mentioned that we wish to use this particular icon, then we need to use this particular class name accessible, get back to our project, and here we will be pasting this one, press Ctrl S, get back to our project, and you can see that this will be the icon. So we can see that we have practically implemented this particular icon, the icon that we wish to use into our project. We can successfully implement it into our project. In the similar fashion, all we need to do, first of all, copy them and paste it over here. So we need to change all those classes with those icons, those we practically wish to use into our project. So in the second case, let's get back to their website. For say we would like to use this particular class over this camera icon. So all we need to do, we need to copy this one from here, this class name, and we need to use it into our project. In the similar fashion, in the next case, if we wish to use this shopping cart icon from here, then we need to copy this one. So just copy this thing, get back to your project, and we need to paste it over here. In the last case, if we wish to use which icon should be used over here. So if we wish to use this particular pencil icon here, then we need to copy this one, get back to our project, and here we will be pasting it. So all of those things being pasted right into the places. So if we press Ctrl S and get back to our project and reload, now we will see that every single icons, those icons practically being used into this particular container class. And within all those grid sections, those we have created. Now that we have placed all those icons over here, it is practically currently using the same default font sizes, those been defined into it. So in that particular case, we need to customize them. That is why in the first case, in case of this block wrapper content, the very first thing that we need to do, we need to put this command over here, text align center, if we wish to put them in the central place. Reload, and you can see that everything is right into the central part. On the other hand, another thing that we wish to add over here, the first one is the header, and the second one is writing something about it. So in the header part, all we are going to do,